Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this origami frog. The only thing you're going to need is one index card. The first step is you're going to fold it to the right, actually the left, then to the right. Make sure you put a deep crease in there. Then you're going to put it flat where you can actually see the color and fold it backwards. You see how I did that? Here's my good trick for this. You see how there's a crease right there at that end? Make sure you try to fold it right at that crease. See? And then you're gonna flip backwards and push. So what you gotta do is you gotta pinch in, pinch as close as you can in, and then pull down. You're gonna fold it, make sure there's deep creases. Then you're gonna hold it like that. If you can't see it, that's all I did. It's like I made half a diamond. Here, I'm gonna show you how I did it because you probably couldn't see it the first time. And that. Now make sure they're trying to touch as much as they can, but don't try so hard it rips. Then you see I made it where it's halfway right there. You're gonna fold like that and like that. Ta-da, and now it looks like a big worm or whatever. And then fold this like that. Can't see that? So now it looks like that. And then you kind of want it to bounce too, right? So if you didn't know, this actually is going to bounce like a little leapfrog. And ta-da, now it's a little leapfrog. Now mine didn't work as good, so what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back more. Because this happens a lot. It just depends the way you folded it. Okay. So now look at this. That's pretty cool, right? Now you get to design it. So what I'm going to use this felt pen. And I'm going to put 2 little dots as its little eyes. And then I'm gonna put some eyelashes. Oh, some long eyelashes. Whoa. And ta-da, now she's a little leaping frog. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you check out our other videos and leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.